Trying to stop overthinking? Well, that's exactly why you're still stuck. I am a certified spiritual life coach, and I've helped hundreds of women 40 and over to stop their mental spiraling so that they can move forward. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a practice that will allow you to move forward too. It's different from the usual advice, but you'll experience the change in energy and how that will help you to create momentum to move forward. So, overthinking occurs when your mind is just trying to protect you. That's what it does. It just keeps repeating the same thought patterns over and over and over again, thinking that it's keeping you safe. But the old adage, what you resist persists, is true. And it not only persists, but it just keeps getting louder and louder. So the thing to do instead of resisting it is just to accept whatever thought comes along. Accept it. And don't try to change it. And don't try to push it away or identify with it that this is your problem. No, just accept it and then let it go. Just like you would, see a cloud go in the sky or see a train go by a platform. Just let it go. And when that happens, when you do that, then it'll just allow for an opening for your intuition to come. And then your intuition can guide you in going forward. So if you like where I'm going with this, I think you'll love the free mini audio course I've created, Calm in the Moment Kit. It has a 3-minute meditation that you can use at the start of your day to set it up for a wonderful day. You can use it last thing at night to get some peaceful sleep. It has a 1-minute reset that you can use whenever you just sense the spiralings coming on. And then it has 15 journal prompts that you can use when you have some time for reflection to sit down and take a look at your life. If you'd like that, then just comment "calm" below the video here, and I'll send you the link. So before we get started on a guided process I'd like to lead you through, what is one thing that you've been thinking about all day long? Some kind of mental spiral that's been going on. Think of that right now, and then I'm going to ask you to recall that in the meditation. This is going to be a closed-eye meditation, so please don't do it if you're driving or operating machinery or even cooking. Wait until later to do it. We're also going to be doing nose breathing. That's the type of breathing that will allow you to be the most calm. So if you can close your eyes and be settled, just take a look at a point above you. Breathe in, and as you exhale, close your eyes and visualize the number 3 times. And you should be able to feel that your body's becoming more relaxed. You can smooth out any tension in your shoulders, your neck, around your jaw. And you can send waves of relaxation energy just from the top of your head down to the soles of your feet. And then again, keeping your eyes closed, breathe in again. And as you exhale, visualize the number 2 times. And as you do that, you should sense that your mind is becoming calmer. The thoughts are slowing down or maybe stopping altogether. And then one more time, breathe in. And as you exhale, visualize the number 1 times. And now you should be able to sense that calm, peace, clarity within you. That is your true self, not the chaos that you've been just heaping on top of it. This is your true self. Just try to get a sense of that. And if you're not able to, that's okay. You can try and take a couple more deep breaths just to relax into it a little bit. The more you do a meditation like this, the easier it's going to become to sense that. So, think of that thought that I asked you to think about a little while ago and get in touch with whatever comes up when you think about it. There might be feelings that come up. There might be images, memories, whatever it may be. Just really get in touch with that. And then visualize a lilac-colored balloon or bubble coming into view just sitting right there in your heart space, just in front of your heart. And imagine that it has French doors that open without bursting the bubble or the balloon. You see the doors opening. And place into this balloon or the bubble the thought that you've been thinking about all day long, that spiraling thought, the emotions that it brought up for you, any memories, any additional thoughts, just put them all into that bubble or balloon. And then see the doors closing. Now, lilac is not just a color you see with your eyes. It is a quantum color, and it reflects the quantum energy of release. So it holds the energy of release. So just see this lilac bubble or balloon just floating off into the universe. For God, the universe, spirit, however you picture that great spirit, to take care of. So it's not your responsibility anymore. You're free of it. Now, lilac is the quantum color for release. So you can breathe in lilac from the universe and breathe it out. You can breathe it in again and just feel it's just circulating all over your body to whatever areas might need some release. Maybe to your head if you've been thinking more thoughts, or to somewhere in your body where you need to release some discomfort. And you can do this at any time, either with the thoughts or with any discomfort that you're feeling in your body or any emotions. And if you aren't able to close your eyes at that moment, just feel that lilac coming into you, into your system, and just send off whatever it is, the thought, the emotion, the sensation, whatever it may be. And you can also have things that are lilac in your wardrobe, in your decor, in your gear, like your sport gear, your journal cover, your eyeglasses or your eyeglass case, your coffee cup, your phone case. And whenever you see those items, then you'll be reminded that you can release whatever you may have been holding on to. So we're going to end the meditation now by rubbing your palms together to warm them up. Put your warm hands over your eyes. Then open up your eyes into your palms and just gently take your hands away. It's just a way to get grounded. After a meditation, you can look around wherever you are to get further grounded, maybe take a sip of water. If you are feeling calmer and if you're feeling more clarity right now, please like this video. It'll let me know what kind of content you like, and it'll let other women who have been overthinking know that this is a video that they should take a look at. If you'd like the Calm in the Moment kit, just comment calm below the video here and I'll send you the link. And if you'd like to go even further with this concept of letting go, I've created another video, Let It Go, that you can access right here. Just click right here.